Oh yeah, I heard it coming down the block. I wasn't even gonna pull mine out to make room, but now I'm gonna have to make unnecessary room and pull them out together.
Man,
this is the first time I've seen it out of his neighborhood.
It still got a long way to go, man. I chipped the paint on that door over there.
Did you?
Yeah.
At the bottom? All right, right here. Yeah.
The door is.
I mean, no, I don't see it. I don't see it.
Yeah, so I gotta fix that.
There you go. Try that paint shop. See if they do a touch-up pen or if they can just mix up a little bit for you.
All right, yeah.
You should be able to color match it.
I have to do that, man.
Yeah, I might have to pull mine out now. Just get them side by side or something. Take it to that open spot over there.
Hey, I got the drone. I got a body mount camera.
Oh, you got it all with you?
Yeah.
Oh, see, he wanted some shots today. That's what it was.
It ain't clean, but you know.
What up, man?
What's good with you, man?
Trying to make some room. Trying to pull this motor out the back.
Okay, let's see what you got here, man.
It's just a little something. It's dirty. It's real dirty.
Oh, man.
Yeah, but a little bit of spray paint, you won't even be able to tell.
You got that.
We had to do it. We had to do it. We finally got them together.
Oh, man.
Finally got them together. Try to get some drone shots and probably some little bit of driving footage with the drone.
Oh,
But
man.
it's a little dusty. It's a little dusty. But yeah, what? 80 and 79? LS, small block Chevy. Dash garage, grind school. Yeah, they look good together. I guess next is gonna be the Monty and the Impala. Yeah, let's try to fire it up and get some shots.
Hey.
I see the difference.
Sir.
Is the LS coming soon?
Hopefully, man. I'm trying. Dash called it a budget build. I don't think this one can be a budget build. I'm too far in.
Yours?
I'm too deep, man. I'm too deep.
Yeah, everything I got is $500, man. Well, $600 for the car, $500 for the motor, $500 for the trans.
I'm too deep.
All the accessories, I don't want to talk about it.
Yeah, nah. You know, it's just hard, man.
But these seats, man. If y'all feel how soft these seats are, I might need a set.
Now that was $500. I will say that. Yeah, man, but I'm trying, dude. I want to get this LS so bad, man, because this thing, bro, like, if I'm holding the gas pedal, you can hear it just breaking up, and I know it's due to the timing. It's like, I don't have the expertise to, you know what I'm saying, time the car, and I don't know nobody that can do it, so it's like, I'm sure there's people out there, but it's like, do I want to put in the effort to find them, you know? Everything's just newer, you know?
Yeah. Well, I know somebody with a LS in the back of his Blazer right now we throw in.
Oh, man. I got to grease my suspension, too. Can't forget about that.
Yeah. Try to do it when we get back to the house?
No, I got a grease gun. I'll do it a little later. I've already greased them, but I don't know how much grease is in there, how much I got in there, you know?
Yeah.
So.
Oh, you got the new sticker. My QA ones had the old stickers. I guess those weren't 500.
Big QA one?
Yeah. I'm just probably painted over. You know, I don't mess anything off. budget build. I can't show all the name brand stuff.
Shit, but you got it back in the day when it was like.
Oh yeah.
Oh man, I'm kicking myself over that one, bro.
I ain't get it at today's QA1 prices.
Nah, bro.
I still need to do the rear though. Just trying to get this one shot, but it's gonna turn into a little friendly, I don't know, 8th mile. We'll see what happens though. You ready? I don't know, it's close, but he had advantage. I was trying to record and had a shift at the same time, so I know I was getting up there, but whew, I think I left some marks. But yeah, so I'm gonna grab this camera, head back to the house, and probably close up this video. I think I had you.
You did, hey. On the beginning, it was more longer. You
Well, I was trying to record and I couldn't shift.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, it was getting up there and I was like, ah! But you gonna get out of here?
Yeah, I'm gonna get out of here.
All right, I'll send you some of those drone shots and then try to work on something.
Okay.
All right, man. All right, not sure how I was gonna record this, but almost at her. But gotta get back to getting the motor out of the Blazer. So finished cleaning up stuff, lowering the Monte Carlo. Whole time I forgot I was supposed to be, well, I have to work in a few hours, so it shouldn't take too long, but it was good finally getting the Elcos together. And we're definitely gonna have to get out there one of these days and get a little more serious. Probably get the GoPro attachments so I don't have to hold it and I can actually shift. But I think we both need rear ends in our cars. I know mine's stock. I believe his is stock also, so it's both pretty much stock rear ends. Mine's LS, is a small block Chevy, I think 350 that he built. So yeah, just a little fun day. He just came to pick up a few parts, pulled up in Elko, so hey, had to get mine out for a little bit. But that's it. This is probably going to be its own little video, and I'll get back to pulling the motor out of the back of the Blazer. Alright, so I decided to throw a couple of the drone shots in there. I'm not the best at flying a drone, so the shots aren't going to be as smooth as other people's, but I'll keep at it, practice a little bit. But I know the cars are going to be a little dirty. They've just been sitting in the garages collecting dust for a while. Wasn't planning on pulling mine out today, but Robbie pulled up in his, so decided to get them both out and go to this little open stretch of road and get some shots in, have a little bit of fun, just make a few videos. So hope you guys enjoy it. Like I said, eventually in the future the drone shots will be better. I'll try to get it out a little bit more, but we just decided to have a little bit of fun with it.